Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on rounding off decimals worksheets. So this video presents two worksheets on the topic of rounding off decimals. If you're not sure what to do, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. So let's see what we need to do. Round off each of the following to 2 decimal places. So here we have 6 examples and we have to round them off to 2 decimal places. Now when you go to the lesson, if you need to, it will highlight the fact that basically 2 decimal places means that you have 2 digits after the decimal point. Then you must look at this third digit here. And depending on the value of this third digit, that tells us what we need to do with that digit there. That's the idea of rounding off. This tells us whether this here, this 3, stays the same or goes up to 4. But that's all explained in the lesson. So remember, when you're going to 2 decimal places, you must highlight those 2. Then look at the digit after, and that tells you what you need to do with this digit here. Round off each of the following to 3 decimal places. All that means is that in the answer, you must have 3 digits after the decimal point. Always look at the next one. That tells you what happens with this digit, and it's the same with all of those. Round off each of the following to 4 decimal places. This time, when you write the answer, you have to have 4 digits after the decimal point. That's what 4 decimal places means. You have to have 4 digits after the decimal point. Always look at the next one. That tells you what needs to be done with this digit. And finally, round off each of the following to 5 decimal places. That means that in the answer, you have to have 5 digits after the decimal point. Always go to the next one. That tells you what you need to do with this digit here. So this video has presented us with 2 worksheets where we can practice the topic of rounding off decimals. Finally, on the next slide there is a link to the lesson on this very topic. If you need help, just click on the link and it will explain how to do each and every one of these examples.